This is Adam Want, professor and technologist from John Jay College of Criminal Justice, which is part of the City University of New York. Today we are here to unbox and take a look at the 85W MagSafe 2 power adapter. I have a new one from Apple sitting here on the desk. Let's take a look at it. To open it, you just slide the outer box away. We can take a quick look and see that this is model MD506LL/A. It's an 85W MagSafe 2 power adapter. Inside the box, this is very nicely put together. The 85W MagSafe power adapter and the extension cable, and it also comes with some literature. Let's get rid of this box. Take a look at the literature first. Comes with the 1-year limited warranty, some regulatory compliance information, and comes with some safety information in different languages. Finally, it comes with a small diagram showing how to remove the wall plug to add the extension plug, and how to use a standard figure 8 adapter, which is not included. It also shows how to wrap the MagSafe cord around the base. However, that's not necessarily the best practice of how to do it. I will have another video showing you a better practice on how to wrap the cable around the base, and I'll put that up on YouTube. If we remove this sleeve now, we see that we have, we'll put this aside, we have the MagSafe 2 85W adapter right here, and the case and the cord comes coiled around it. Let's start with the extension cable. It comes with a standard extension cable. I will take precise measurements of this extension cable and insert it into this video so that we can know exactly how long it is. The MagSafe 2 power adapter comes with a small piece of plastic around the cord, and if we remove the small piece of plastic, the cord becomes free. We see the thinner but slightly longer MagSafe 2 power adapter, and for those of you who don't know, Apple had to make the MagSafe power adapter thinner because their laptops were actually becoming too thin for the original MagSafe 2 power adapter. The MagSafe 2, new from the box, comes with a small piece of plastic over the charger. However, you could throw it away. I've never kept them, I've never used them, and I've never had any problems with it before. The actual power adapter comes with some plastic over it. You should remove the plastic. Do not use it with the plastic. All Apple plastic is meant to be removed. Using it with the plastic is not the right way of using it. It would cause heat not to dissipate correctly. We could see that, like all Apple power adapters, it has a simple wall prong, and that we could remove it by lifting straight up. And if we remove it, we could insert the longer extension cable, which should give us about 3 more feet of length. However, I will measure it and put the precise measurements into this YouTube video.